before I open it here. £12.4 pounds. I weighed it before we took the video and it weighed the same. So that is correct. And I have my lovely photographer here to help me out. Videographer.
No, videographer.
My wife. Okay, this one they put the bucket in sideways. Interesting. Again, don't let your children fall into buckets with fish. I hate this stuff. Always put your knife back in your pocket because I have lost knives before. So, looks like we're going to be taking it out this way. Alright, let's see what we got. Double soft polishing towel. Premium microfiber sponge. Borderless gray plus towel. Ooh, that feels really soft. You want to feel it? Yeah. Yeah, some more like that. A single soft polishing towel. Leather conditioner. Eco all-purpose cleaner. H2O garden gloss, always good to have. Oh, a sticker! I love my stickers. Car shampoo. What's this one? VRT. Wheel cleaner. And leather interior cleaner. And 25% off. Sweet.
Don't show me coupons.
Well, looks like I'll be ordering some of that tonight. Low and Slow the third here. Hey, Kona!
Here.
Get the lighting. Is the lighting okay? Just don't stop it.
Hello.
Okay. Hey guys, we have another mystery bucket here. So Low and Slow the third here. Hey, come